Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this is from DIY Digital Art. They must like my previous unboxings because they offered to let me review a couple more items. So let's see what I got this time. So, okay, let's do, well, they're all kind of open in some way. So let's do this one first. So this is supposed to be a shopping bag. Let me move the stuff out of the way so it's not so ugly looking. So this is supposed to be a shopping bag. So yeah, it looks like it comes with normal toolkit with a few baggies. And then these are special shaped drills, so they are yeah, not just the normal size drills, but yeah, here it is. It is just this butterfly. The bag itself, let's see. It's a relatively small bag, but not as big as I guess what I'm used to in a shopping bag. But yeah, what size is this? The bag itself is about 30 centimeters across and 35 centimeters tall. And the actual thing that's only diamond painted is the butterfly here. So yeah, I like this a lot because I think I saw, was it Rebecca at 4Kids at 147 do another shopping bag. Okay, so I'm gonna move the plastic a little because the one side was not covered. So I'm just making sure it's covered. But yeah, I was like, okay, I want to try to do a shopping bag too. And I saw this and I was like, oh, this one's really pretty. So yeah, this one should be really quick. Yeah, this should be really quick. I might, depending on if I could finish it before I post this video, I might just finish this and put it at the end. We'll see. But yeah, this one is the first one. Oh, and this one on the site is $5.25, so really nice, affordable bag. Okay, so second thing is a diamond painting. Okay, let's see. Where is the front? Okay. Nothing is hidden today. Okay, so it looks like it's just the normal toolkit, pen, boat, and wax. These are round drills. Okay, so it's this image. Okay, where's the top? Okay, it's this image. So I kind of wanted to try a diamond painting that was not square. So this is, it is just a round diamond painting, as in round shape. So the glue only goes up to this section here. And yeah, this part is not sticky. So I wanted to try one of these, like just a circle diamond painting. I don't know, because I've never tried one. So yeah, this is advertised as a 40 by 40. Well, let's see what the diameter is. The diameter is about 33.5. Is this 33.5 also? Yeah, about 33.5. So yeah, it is a little bit smaller than the 40 by 40, but I think the image will turn out on this one. Yeah, looks, I mean, it's a really cute picture with the fish. So this looks like it has 22 colors. The legend is all letters. They're not in alphabetical order, but they're all letters, so it should be, I think, easy-ish to diamond paint. The print looks really good, I think. I don't use a light pad, so I think this is light pad friendly, and it looks like this is printed in the way where instead of each drill as a square, the the circles are, you know, circles. I don't know if I'm making sense, but um, it's not printed like a grid. It looks like it's just printed with the symbols in a circle. So I think that ends up making it turn out a little bit better because it kind of just, it does, like, since you can see the drills, I mean, the canvas under the drills and around, it does kind of sometimes add a little bit more definition where if it just was squares alone. So I kind of like it when they're printed that way. But yeah, no, I just kind of like this. Yeah, and I'm just making sure that it's not sticky. But see, since this is a round, since it's not sticky here, it's gonna be hard to cut this, I think. So I probably would just seal the edges here just to make sure it stays on there. But yeah, I think this one's gonna be nice and fun. All right, so the last item is not on a canvas also, so it is this. It's this clock. I'm hoping it survived. It's the front of it is not diamond, or it's not protected. It's just protected by this plastic, and that would be great if it was, you know, displayed in the store, but going through the mail system, I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay, so, oh yeah, and the fish, I forgot to say, was, I have it on my, the fish was also $5.25, so I think that's a really, like, DIY Digital Art has really, really good prices on in their store, so, okay, so I think I got everything. So yeah, this is a clock, and it's made with metal instead. So, wait, I kind of want to put, I want to see how easy it is to put these in so that we could check out if it works. Or will it? Well, you know what? I'm kind of afraid to put this on and not be able to remove it, and then I won't be able to diamond paint. Would I be able to diamond paint the stuff if I put these on and... Yeah, I'm kind of afraid of putting these on and not being able to remove it to make this easier to diamond paint. So I'll show you if it works when I finish it, which should be soon too, because this is not that hard either. So it looks like it does come with the generic toolkit with a little bit of a few baggies, and then the clock, I don't know, hands are in here too. So yeah, hopefully I'm able to like put these on where the hour and is there instructions of which one goes on top? Like, how do you know which one goes on top? Does the small one go on top or the big one go on top? Well, okay, so, oh, I see. There's a hole, this hole is a little bit bigger than this hole, so I'm going for, it's probably gonna go in there in just one way, so, you know, for me who's like, I don't know, how am I gonna put this in? Hopefully it will work. Yeah, since this is also a smallish project, I'm thinking I might just try to finish this before I post the video, but we'll see. I am planning to post this like next week, so I'll have a week to try to finish this. So it did look like it got a little banged up at the edges here, so I'm hoping, I think I could probably just get, see, yeah, that was the problem with how it got shipped. It did get a little squished over here, but I think if I try hard enough, I probably could just kind of hammer that out. I don't know how yet. I'll think about it, and I'll show you this finish. So yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, and this clock is, yeah, I'm sorry that my unboxing is a little chaotic. So this clock is $14. So yeah, I'm gonna really try to finish these before next week's when this is gonna get posted, and I'll show you and I'll add the finish to this unboxing. So I'm back. I was not actually able to finish both the clock and the bag before you know, the time I was able to record. So yeah, here is the bag. I think it's just a simple picture. It didn't take me that long to do this one, so I was able to finish this one. So yeah, the bag. So the bag was from DIY Digital Art, like this is the unboxing for. So it was, I said, $5.25. The bag is 30 by 35. Why did I not write the other parentheses here? And it was poured glue, there were round drills, there were some special shapes. So there were 10 colors in all, 4 being special. So the drills on this were just ordinary drills mostly. So most of them were just ordinary drills. And then there were the 4 different specials. I did actually replace the white drills here with my own ABs. So yeah. Other than that, I mean, what did I say? Okay, so my main comment was, okay, my main critique mainly is these marquee shapes here. They're more skinny or like narrow marquees than normal. But I think when they printed the canvas, they might have expected a more like wide marquee, kind of like this. I wasn't sure if it didn't really fit that well in the space. So you could see the outline of where the marquee was supposed to be placed because it was, I think, supposed to be a fatter one. So what I found is sometimes this was a little too long to fit in the X section. So you kind of had to put it at like a angle, but then since it was too skinny also, it wasn't able to completely cover the symbol. I'm not sure if you could tell, you could still see the white under there. See, so yeah, other than that, I mean, unless you're really looking at it closely, you're not going to notice. But otherwise, yeah, it's a butterfly. It's pretty. It's on a shopping bag. And hey, I think now I have my non-entry into the hashtag, the butterflies with diamonds, right? My non-entry, because I don't enter any of these things. But yeah, I have tons of drills left. I was actually surprised after it. I was like, oh look, so many drills left. I have so many of these ones left. But this is what I was meaning. These were just too narrow for the picture. But look at how many of the drills I have left. So yeah, tons of drills left, so no issues there. And on the clock, I did start, but so yeah, here it is so far. I did not finish it, so I do kind of just put another cover over it. So I did not finish it, but right now it's really, really pretty. So the clock itself the clock is a 30 centimeter diameter. So there were ABs in it, special drills, and rhinestones. So there were 16 colors in all. So 8 being rhinestone, 1 being AB, 1 a more metallic. So the 1 AB is not really an AB. It's not faceted. It's more of a pearl. So that might be more of a special, and 6 specials. So yeah, no. So I thought I'd be able to just like finish this right away, but if you actually look at it, there is way more drills than you think. So yeah, I've been just kind of doing this by color and doing it in order since they are just kind of numbered. That's all, the symbols are just like 1 to 13. Although I did do the eyes because there were just 2 of them, and that was like number 14. But yeah, and it was in its own little baggie. It wasn't in the strip packaging with it. So yeah, I did try to finish this in time for the video, but nope, it's not happening. This was way more effort than I thought, just because you had to single place everything. But it is very pretty, and I will do a full completion review of this when it's actually complete, probably with some other diamond painting from DIY Digital Art. But yeah, there is the 2 finishes, or 1 and 1/4. I don't know if I even finished half of this, finishes of the DIY Digital Art unboxing. So thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!